We left the beach a little while ago and we came over to a small town not too far away called Porto Palo. One of the waiters at the beach recommended this place for dinner because it has the freshest fish of all time. They said that the fishermen are on the boats all day and they come back and they don't even put the fish in the refrigerator. It goes straight to the grill and straight to the customer. We're really excited for that. Ravenna just parked in this town and she just left and I have no idea where she went. And I'm starting to get worried about her. I called her, she didn't answer. She's been gone for at least 10 minutes. Where do you think Mama went, Leo?
To poop in her pants.
No, she didn't go to poop in her pants. Where did she go, Sophie?
Poop.
To poop? Wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna go find Mama. I'll be right back.
Okay, make sure you don't see her pooping.
Rove, where did you go?
I went shopping.
You went shopping?
Do you want to go take a walk? Because it's really cute.
So Ravenna stopped the car. She didn't even tell us she was going shopping. I guess she went to get clothes for the kids because we decided not to go back to our Airbnb, but instead to stay in this area and have dinner so the kids didn't have a change of clothes. Anyway, she recommended that I take a walk down this road here because it's not touristy. It's really cool. So let's go check it out. Could you tell everybody about this restaurant, please, that the waiter recommended tonight?
Okay, so for what I understood, this place, it's by the port of the town of Porto Palo in Sicily. It's a fish restaurant and it's a very small and very casual place. There's the captain and the wife, which they fish all day, and then at 6 o'clock the boats, the pescherecci, come back from the fishing, and whatever they fish that day they make for dinner. So we don't know what kind of fish we're gonna eat today.
I hope they caught some ricci.
Yeah, the guy at the beach place, he said that they have, all the ricci, oysters, local fishes.
Okay, bene. All right. Well, I'm sure they're going to have probably fries for you and, a kids menu. Definitely pasta. All right. Well, we'll cross our fingers. They have food for everyone tonight. We'll see you at the restaurant.
Cross their fingers. I doubt they're going to catch pasta.
No, they're not going to catch pasta in the ocean. That's for sure. Vino bianco.
Questo vino bianco è un'infolia che è un'uva che abbiamo qua nella zona. Questo ve lo potete conservare per qualche bottiglia.
Ah, ok.
Anche un tappo particolare, se voi avete
We
qualche
can
bottiglia
keep
di
the
vino.
cup.
Però se ve lo faccio assaggiare.
Sonia is the grape of local grape.
Un'uva
This
tipica
wine
nostra.
is from the area?
Di questa zona, sì.
Oh, bene, grazie. The cozze in Sicilia are fresh and delicious. This is the famous arrosto misto, and this is the fresh fish that was swimming in the ocean pomeriggio, forse, even this afternoon.
This is occhiata,
Occhiara,
piedino di gambero e totano.
totano. Grazie. I've never heard of these types of fish before, but they're typical to this area here in southern Sicily. So now we're gonna taste it. The main problem is that as an American, I'm not used to cleaning my own fish here. This is how they served it. The Italians know exactly what to do. I don't know what to do. So I guess I just have to dive in. Like, wow, look at this. You got to be careful when you do this so you don't bite into the bones. Fresh. Is that? The bone in there. Another one. Another one. That bite had 4 bones in it. You got to be very careful when you eat fish in Italy. Other than the bones, 10 out of 10. So on our way back home, we stopped at this small fisherman's village called Marzamemi. There's less than 400 people that reside here, but the nightlife is strong.
We just entered the town and there's like a little strip, restaurants, bars,
Gift shops, a park for kids,
trampoline for kids, ice cream stores. So far it looks amazing. I can't wait to see the rest of it.
We'll give you a tour now, but you know what? I need to get a new bathing suit. So let's go shop for bathing suits.
Yeah.
And here we are at the famous piazza in Marzamemi called Piazza Regina Margherita. Leo, what are you doing riding a bike in the piazza here?
Someone let me have his bike.
Wow. We just got home here in Fontane Bianche. It is 2 o'clock in the morning. We're all exhausted, and we're probably going to have another late start tomorrow. But we're going to check out some new cool towns here. We hope that you enjoyed the video and learned something about southern Sicily. And stay tuned for more great videos from Sicily. And until next time, out.